Gentlemen, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered if the way you touch yourself now is really what your body needs, especially after 60? You're not alone. This is one of the most common private questions I hear from men over 60. Not just whether it's still okay to masturbate, but how to do it safely, respectfully, and in a way that supports your health instead of draining it. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, a urologist with 5 years of experience, and for the past few years, I've worked with hundreds of men who want to stay connected to their bodies, feel confident in their sexuality, and age with strength, dignity, and freedom. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Drop it in the comments. I love seeing men from around the world learning together. And while you're down there, hit the like buttons and subscribe if you want more practical, honest men's health guidance. Today, we're covering something rarely discussed but incredibly important: how to masturbate safely after 60 and the 3 big mistakes you must avoid. First, let's clear the air. Masturbation is not only normal, it's healthy, and it becomes even more important as you age. Many men in their 60s, 70s, and beyond start to wonder, does my body even need this anymore? Am I harming myself? Unfortunately, shame, silence, and old myths can make you feel guilty for something that's actually helping your body and mind. Here's the biological truth. Regular, gentle self-stimulation supports circulation to the penis, maintains erectile tissue, helps prostate health, lowers stress hormones like cortisol, and even improves sleep by calming your nervous system. Emotionally, it helps men stay connected to themselves, reducing anxiety and preserving a sense of vitality, confidence, and masculinity. But, and this is key, your body doesn't respond like it did at 25. That's not dysfunctional. That's biology. Skin thins, nerve endings fire more slowly, blood vessels lose elasticity. Your approach to pleasure must evolve. Think of it less like fixing a machine and more like caring for a classic car. With the right touch, attention, and presence, your body can still deliver deep relaxation and satisfaction, but only if you avoid the 3 mistakes most men fall into. Let's talk about what men often get wrong, not because their bodies are broken, but because nobody taught them how to adapt to aging. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and I've spent 5 years specializing in men's health. I've guided men from their 30s to well into their 80s. Time and again, it's not the body that holds men back. It's misunderstanding, rushing, or shame. Here are 3 common myths. Myth number 1, masturbation after 60 is unnecessary or harmful. Truthfully, gentle self-stimulation keeps your circulation strong, maintains erectile tissue, and even supports prostate health. Myth number 2, you need strength or endurance to enjoy pleasure. Truth, consistency, gentleness, and pacing matter more than force. Myth number 3, shame protects you. Truth, shame activates stress hormones, constricting blood flow and making arousal harder to achieve. So, if your goal is safe, healthy, and satisfying masturbation, you need to rethink your approach. Mistake number 3, rushing through it. Let's be honest. Many men treat self-pleasure like something to get over with quickly, like scratching an itch. Here's what happens biologically when you rush. Nervous system stays in stress mode. Blood vessels constrict instead of opening. Heart rate rises, but not in a relaxing, enjoyable way. Emotionally rushing teaches your brain to associate intimacy with tension, not safety. That reduces satisfaction over time. Practical fix, slow down. Even 5 extra minutes can make a huge difference. Turn off distractions, breathe deeply, and allow your body to arrive naturally before moving into touch. When you stop rushing, something surprising happens. Sensitivity comes back, even if you thought it was gone forever. Think of it as training your body to enjoy the moment, not just the finish line. Mistake number 2, too much pressure. This is incredibly common. As sensation decreases with age, many men tighten their grip or move aggressively to compensate. Biologically, the penis is delicate. Overpressure can cause micro tears in the skin, nerve desensitization, sometimes called death grip, inflammation or irritation. Emotionally, frustration builds. You need stronger stimulation, yet feel less satisfied. Practical fix, loosen your grip. Use a fragrance-free, water-based lubricant. Treat your hand like a massage for the circulatory system. Gentle, steady touch increases sensitivity over time instead of decreasing it. Mistake number 1, ignoring your emotional state. This one surprises most men. Your emotional state is just as important as technique. Many men over 60 carry quiet shame about masturbation. Maybe you were told it was wrong growing up. Maybe you feel unsettled about changes in your body. Biology. Unresolved shame activates your stress response. Cortisol rises, blood vessels tighten, and arousal is harder to sustain. Emotionally, shame creates distance from yourself and even your partner if you have one. Practical. Difficulty relaxing. Trouble enjoying touch. Sometimes erectile struggles. Fix. Compassion. Remind yourself, you are not broken. You're in a new phase of life that asks for intention and care. If needed, talk to a trusted doctor, therapist, or friend. Intimacy isn't only physical, it's emotional health, too. Step-by-step safe masturbation after 60. 1. Create a safe space, privacy, quiet, no distractions. 2. Clean and protect. Wash hands, fresh towel, lubricant. 3. Start slow, focus on breathing and relaxation. 4. Gentle stimulation. Loosen grip, explore sensations. 5. Check in, notice pain, irritation, or discomfort. 6. Release shame, remind yourself this is healthy and restorative. 7. Aftercare, breathe, relax, settle your body. Maybe you're thinking, I've been doing it wrong for decades, am I too late? Absolutely not. Most men were never taught how to adapt to these changes, and that's not your fault. Your body is incredibly adaptive. With patience, it responds beautifully. Many men in their 60s and 70s rediscover pleasure because they finally slow down, listen, and stay present. Gentlemen, here's what I want you to remember. Your body still matters. Your pleasure still matters. Your confidence is worth protecting. Masturbation after 60 isn't about clinging to youth. It's about honoring the man you are now. Stronger, wiser, more intentional. Age is not the end of vitality. In fact, it's the beginning of true mastery. Small, mindful changes restore comfort, freedom, and dignity. If this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with another man who could benefit. In the comments, tell me, what men's health topic should we cover next? I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and remember, your age does not define your passion, your choices do. Stay strong, stay intentional, stay connected.